Hi guys, welcome back. So we're here now at the San Miguel compound here in Pasig in Meralco Avenue. We've just been invited to the BMW Christmas party where they will also be launching the BMW GS 1300. As you can see behind me, a never-ending sight of BMW motorcycles, mostly with the GS. So I'll report back later after the party. So guys, see you.
A masterpiece of design and engineering, this motorcycle is a true work of art. Powered by a legendary two-cylinder boxer engine, it boasts 145 horsepower and 149 Newton-meters of torque with a unique, persistent high torque range. The frame, featuring steel and sleek die-cast aluminum, offers precision and agility for off-road enthusiasts. Optional enduro forged wheels promise an adventurous journey. The R1300 GS is not just a bike. It's a revolution on two wheels, embodying power, precision, and innovation. What can you tell us about the bike? Why is this bike so special?
Because it's all new machine. It's a great bike.
Absolutely all new. Nothing on this bike is to be found on the older models. Karen, what was it like riding this bike in Chiang Mai?
I can't even explain how much I love this bike. It's so agile, it's so athletic. It's such a dream to ride. You guys are gonna love it.
Oh my God, we are all salivating. We can't wait to talk about it. Let's dive straight into its event. Let's talk about design. BMW's creations are always head turners, and you can't deny this. Just one look at this beautiful reveal that we have here. What can you tell us are, the best or the most salient features of the R1300's design? When it comes to design, what can you tell us are the best features?
Yes, Paulo. First of all, welcome, good morning to our beautiful BMW rider community.
Make some noise, guys, come on!
Our future BMW riders, of course, also very much welcome. And I'm really happy to be here finally with good weather, with an amazing crowd in the morning here on Sunday. I'm very happy. I've seen many of you on our 100-year ride back in Batangas on the 1st October. We showed you the first video of the GS. We just launched it 2 days ago. And I promise you we will come back this year and show you these beauties. So here you are. Really happy to have them here in the Philippines, one of the first market in Southeast Asia to launch the brand new R1300 GS.
So we just came from the BMW Christmas get together and the launch of the BMW 1300 GS. Medyo mixed yung feelings ko doon sa BMW 1300 GS. Though we didn't get to ride it, but the initial lang yung looks nung GS niya. I don't know if it's a good thing or if it's a bad thing, but it doesn't. One of the things that struck me the most is pag nakakita ka ng BMW na GS, you can actually tell it's a GS. As in, unmistakable yung dating ng GS. Yung ilaw niya, yung sa front niya na ilaw, yung round with the rectangular na setup. Malayo pa lang alam ko na that sa BMW GS. Now that they went with that more like a trapezoid shape, I can't help but say, but parang yung mga Japanese motorcycle or even the China motorcycles who's been trying to make their bikes look like a GS, now it looks like the GS is trying to look like one of those Japanese bikes. For one of the things that they were talking a lot about is how they made the bike smaller, while the others are trying to make their bike look more macho. Here comes BM, who was the macho king, trying to become more sportier. Kaya medyo parang I don't know, but of course all of this is just the looks based on specs. All the advancement that they did, they made the engine more compact, but they made the engine be slightly bigger internally, and it has more power. So lahat performance wise obviously is going to be a positive thing. Meron pa silang about how they made since the engine is what do you call this, more compact, they were able to make the swing arm a little bit longer. So this helped in making the motorcycle more stable than it already was. Diba? Parang yun nga yung usapan eh. How can you actually make a bike that was already considered one of the most perfect adventure bikes even better? So performance wise, in terms of what the specs, the tech that they put in it, yun talaga aliw what BMW did. They don't even now have an option for a low seat because the suspension is now fully adjustable, which means you can lower it by just using the dash controls. So you can actually lower the bike to your desired height. Tapos alam ko pati doon sa upuan, there's something you just flip to make it even lower. So no more requirement for a low seat option or lower suspension option, because everything now can be done electronically through the tech that they put into it. Siyempre, it's a new look, as compared to all the past GS, from the 1150 to the 1200 to the 1250, medyo hindi sila nag-stay away from the look eh. This is the first time medyo na iba talaga yung look nila, kaya maybe that's why. Pero alam natin, of course, the tech is there because the bike has always been a good performer, and much more now with all this new tech, di ba? But still, congratulations BMW. Grabe, I haven't seen such a big gathering of BMW GS owners in one place. Ganong karami yung ano nila, just to show ganong karami ang loyal followers nito BMW, and I salute them for it. Kung talagang they are the best-selling adventure bike in the Philippines. Galing ng group nila. The gathering was good, and thank you very much again for inviting us to join into the celebration. And yun pa, nanalo pa tayo ng BMW jacket from the raffle. So really, thank you very much. And guys, if you haven't liked and subscribed, please do so. Thank you. Bye.